Vampyresskiss.
An angel.
Hi, we're still in Kingman, and we thought we'd share this really cool model train with you that we went
That
to.
one on the top is going to win.
Is it going to win?
Yeah,
we came to their railroad museum, and I thought this was pretty cool that they had this, what an elaborate train set. I mean, I don't know how many of you were or had a train set as a kid. I would have loved to have something as elaborate as this.
Can I say something?
Yes? Yeah, go ahead.
Comment down below if you like trains.
Yeah, model trains.
Yeah, model trains.
So, yeah, this is way, way cool. I don't remember them being so loud as a kid. It's amazing how we forget these things. I think there's something, oh yeah, there's a little itty bitty BNSF running on this track. Just nosing along here.
That's like the kind of train we have, but
yeah, this is the kind of trains that
there's
go
one
by
right
our
there
house.
and right there. Those are real rocks.
Yeah. What? Yeah. I was commenting on how I would love to have a train set like that as a kid. But I was the girl, so I didn't get cool things like that. My brother got the cool things like that.
But actually,
He got a whole Lionel train set. My grandparents, I guess, liked him better than me.
Well, we won't discuss him because he's non-existent in my life.
Yeah, that's true.
where is that place?
Non-factor.
Yeah, he's a non-factor.
Oh, where is that place set still?
Oh, look at. This is where, when my grandfather worked for the railroad,
Yeah, I seen that.
he worked in the roundhouse. This is the roundhouse. It's where they turn the train engines around so they can go in the other direction. And that's what he did. The whole time they lived in Minot, North Dakota. He worked for the Great Northern Railroad. And that was where he was in the roundhouse. Of course, the roundhouse probably didn't look as nice as that, because we're talking, the 50s, early 60s, 40s. So, well, he worked there all through the Depression, because I remember my dad complaining and bitching at my mother that she didn't know what the Depression was, because my grandfather made $90 a month working at the railroad. So that was big money back during, after 29. So that's where he worked, was in the roundhouse. And here comes another little train. Chugga, 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 choo. This one's moving faster. I have to pick up my pace to get moving for this one. Yeah, look at all those trains parked there. Oh, look at, there's the observation cars. Okay, Vampyresskiss, I'll be back in a minute.